Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by confirming the physical pieces and the immediate system settings. First, make sure the external switch has power, charged battery, and a solid cable or connector. A loose lead is the most common cause. Once that's confirmed, enable the device port or Bluetooth on your host and avoid other pairing attempts. Then open the Accessibility Switch menu. This is where you will add or rediscover the switch. This initial sweep prevents wasted steps later. Now you force a fresh discovery and clear conflicts. Put the external switch into its explicit pairing or discovery mode for 10 to 15 seconds. Many switches have a long press sequence. On the host, select Add New Switch and run the Find Devices action, watching for the exact model name. If nothing appears, remove any stale pairings from both sides and reboot the host and the switch. Once done, repeat discovery immediately to avoid background reconnections. Finally, you assign and validate the control so it actually does what you need. When the host lists the switch, assign it to a clear action like select or move next, then run a short calibration. Single press, double press, and long press to ensure each maps correctly. Test within the target app or interface. If it still fails, swap in a known good cable or dongle, and as a last resort, factory reset the switch. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most stubborn link errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.